Hey, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be trying out these cluster lashes. This is my first time doing these DIY lash extensions. So let's go ahead and get started with this video. So as you can see, these are the lashes that I used. So I used the largest size, the size 12, and size 10. So I'm using 3 of these sizes: large, medium, and small. So this kit also comes with the glue, the sealer of the glue, and the remover. Alright, so this is my natural lashes, and as you can see, they are pretty thin. They are not super thick, they're not super curly. So I'm gonna just get a look and see where I'm going to place them. And I'm just gonna try to avoid the waterline and try to just get my lashes. Alright, so now I'm going to take this bond. This is a waterproof, long-lasting bond. And I'm going to apply it on the outer 1/3 of my lashes, focusing on the bottom of my lashes. Now you want to eyeball how much glue you just put down and how wide these little clusters are. So I'm going to take 2 of the largest size, which is for me the size 16, and I'm going to put them on the lashes themselves, not on that little inside part. So I want to make sure that they are touching each other, and if they're next to each other, that's okay. We can fix that and make it more even. I'm going to add a little bit more glue to the inner third of my lash. And again, I'm going to do another large size, so a 16. And I'm going to do 2 of them. When I place it, I'm going to just kind of lift it up so that way it is nice and secured to my lashes. Secured at the base, but then also secured in the center. So I'm going to add 2 of those, and now we're going to continue. Just going to take a look and see what it is like. And now I'm going to add a little bit more in my inner 1/3, but here I'm going to add a little bit less. And I got a little bit in my waterline, but that's okay. I will remove it at the end. So now I'm just going to add these. Now these last 2 that I add right now are not connected. So when I lift that up, you can see that there is spaces, but the ones on the outside, it does not have a space. Now that is not what you want to do. You want to make sure that it is sealed, and if it's not, that's okay, because we can fix it. So you can see there's not really anything wrong with that, but I feel like it'll get a stronger wear if it's all connected. So I'm just kind of pushing them together. You can use your tool to kind of smush them, but I'm just going to leave them be. And I'm going to take a little bit more of this glue. Again, ignore the glue that I have in my waterline. You can fix it. So in that part right there where I want it to be more connected and sealed, I'm just going to add some layers. I was going to add the layers anyway, so that's why I wasn't really too picky on how I was putting them down, because wherever I wanted to, I was going to add some more. So I'm going to add 2. I was going to add 3, but I kind of felt that it looked nice the way it was, so I added 2 more on that part that needed to be connected, and this is the final result. I can close my eye comfortably, and it looks nice, and it was very, very inexpensive and very easy to do. So hopefully you found this video helpful. Let me know in the comments which style is your favorite, and thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate you stopping by and checking out this video on these lashes. So before we finish, I'm going to add some of this seal, but I did add a little bit too much, but it's okay. It dries up, and I thankfully did not get any in my eye, but you can probably add a lot less than I'm adding on right now. So this is the finished result. At the end, you will see the finished result. Alright guys, see you in the next one. Hopefully you enjoyed. Bye.